Hello again, everyone. I am Mark Thompson, and you are watching Alteryx Tutorials. Today's session is going to be a short one. There's not much to it, but there's a trick, so stick around to the end to see the trick. Short video won't take long. Today's challenge is to take a table, and we want to, as it says in here, create a workflow to highlight only the highest value in the table. See that 132? That's what we want to do. We don't want to have any of the other columns or rows highlighted, just that one. That's the trick. Stick around till the end. We start out with this right here, and it's a simple enough table, field 123 with a bunch of values and a missing value. And the first thing that we want to think about is, what is it we're trying to achieve? We want to know what's the highest number in all of this. Well, what's going to be the easiest way? The easiest way is going to be to put them all in a column and then identify what's the max value in that column. So to do that, we've got this Transpose tool, and from it, we now have field 123, 123, 123, and we've got all of these fields. And then we say, okay, what is the max value? We take this, we use the value, we come down here, we add, we say max value 132. We then turn around and we append it right back to that same table that we started with. And when we come over here, we put that 132 on the end of it. And here's where the trick is we actually do the highlighting and identification in the basic table field. Now that comes from the reporting menu up here. And the way we do that is we highlight individual, and I'm going to widen this out here just a moment. We do this with each individual field, and we say field, and we're going to create a column rule. Now these are already created, but we come here and we go edit, and we say field 1, rule 1, give it a name, same thing, field 1, rule 1, and we use a formula. And this is the key part of it, right? Current field equals max value. And then you can put whatever kind of highlighting and font and color you want, but I used a red text and a blue background. We come to field 2, we edit, we do the same thing, field 2, rule 1. Field 2, rule 1, we use the same formula. Current field equals the max value. Same highlighting. And the third one, we do the exact same thing again, and we come down here to the edit column, and we say formula, current field equals max, and we know the max is the 132. In each of these cases, it's going to take and it's going to find that value of 132, and it's going to match it up if it's a max. The output from this, we've got to use the browse tool to see, and as you can see, we come back together. In this basic table, by the way, we uncheck the max value. We no longer need to see it. We run it, takes 2 seconds, and boom, there you are. 3 minutes and 1 formatted cell. All right, it's learning how to do it, and that's what's important. Lots of ways to skin a cat. If you like what you saw, hit like, hit share, tell your friends, make a comment. We love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm Mark Thompson. These are Alteryx Tutorials.